Now, in performance time A, these are our workbook problems. See here, in the workbook problems, so first in performance time A, these are our workbook problems. All these are workbook problems. In these workbook problems, in performance time A, it's a relation between liters and milliliters. The questions based on liters and milliliters, liters and milliliters. The first one 6 liters and 50 milliliters. So then how to convert? We have to convert these milliliters into, so liters, milliliters into milliliters. Okay, see here. 6 liters means 6,000. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Then 6 liters is equal to 6000 milliliters. Here 6000 plus 50. The total is 6050 milliliters. Okay. 6 liters is equal to 6000 milliliters, and this 50 milliliters we have to add. Now, here 5 liters and 350 milliliters. 5 liters means 5000 milliliters. 5 into 1000, 5000, and 350. 5000 plus 350, 5350 milliliters. Now, the same 7 liters. 7 liters means 7 into 1000, 7000 milliliters. So liters should multiply with 1000. 2 liters means 2 into 1000, 2000 milliliters. Next, 3 liters and 800 milliliters. 3 liters means 3 into 1000, 3000 plus 800. 3000 plus 800, 3800 milliliters. Now, 1 liter 1 ml. So 1 liter means 1 into 1000, 1000 liters plus 1 milliliter. So 1001 milliliter. 1001 milliliter. Okay. This is the conversion of liters, milliliters into milliliters. Here milliliters, how to convert into liters and milliliters. Now see here. Here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 1000 place is a liter place, that is 1 liter, and the remaining places are milliliters, 984 milliliters. That's it. Now here also ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 1000 place is a liter place, that is 2 liter, and remaining places are milliliters, 379 milliliter. Then ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is 1000. Ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. 1000 place is a liter place, that is 3 liters, 605 milliliters. Now, here ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. 6 is in thousands place, 6 liters, 500 milliliters. Ones, tens, 100. This is 1000. 8 is in thousands place, 8 liters. 8 liters, then after that all are zeros, no need to take milliliters. Now, here ones, tens, 100, this is 1000. In thousands place 3 means 3 liters, and in milliliters place all are zeros, no need to take, that is 3000 milliliter means 3 liters. Okay, this is the conversion of milliliters into liters and milliliters. Okay, students. Now students, here in performance time B, addition and subtraction of volumes. So we have to add and we have to subtract. In the first question, so total 6 questions are given in textbook, in workbook, and in subtraction also total 6 questions are given in subtraction. So we are going to do 4 problems. Remaining 2 problems you do as your home assignment in both addition as well as in subtraction. Okay. So now see here how to add. How to add. See, first we should add the extreme right digit of milliliters. 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means 1 in unit place of liters, and we have to take carry over on tens place of a liters. Then 8 plus 1, 9, and this is 1. 191 liters and 195 milliliters. Okay. Now the second question. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means 3 in ones place, and 1 we have to take carry over on tens place of a milliliter. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 2, 15, 16. 16 means 6 in tens place of milliliters. 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then after that 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 3 plus 1, 4, and this is 2. 248 liters, 363 milliliters. Okay. Now the next one, milliliters. So 125 liters, 673 milliliters. 83 liters, 192 milliliters. 0 liters, 725 milliliters. All these three we have to add. So then 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 0 in unit place, that means ones place, and 1 we have to take carry over on tens place of milliliters. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 8 plus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 2, 18, 19. 19 means 9 we have to take in tens place, and 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place. Then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 means 5 in hundreds place of a milliliter, and 1 we have to take carry over on ones place of a liter. Then 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Now 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 0 in tens place of a liter, and 1 we have to take carry over on hundreds place of liter. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 209 liter, 590 milliliters. Now fourth question. 210 liters, 193 milliliters. 72 liters, 105 milliliters we have to add. First we have to add extreme right digit in milliliters, that is ones place. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 7 plus 1, 8, and this is 2. 282 liters, 298 milliliters. Okay. So in this edition, more two similar questions are given. That similar questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now, so in the second question, subtract the following. So 192 liters, 50 milliliters. From this, so we should subtract 78 liters, 237 milliliters. Then extreme right digit 0 and 7 we have to subtract. 0 is a lesser, minute, then take borrow from the next place. Then if you take borrow from here, you will get 4 here and you will get 10 here. 10 minus 7 means 8 to 10 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, it is 3. 4 minus 3, difference of the consecutive numbers is always 1. Then 0 minus 2 we cannot minus borrow from the next place, that is ones place of a liter. Then here it will decrease by 1 and here will increase by 10. 10 minus 2 means 3 to 10 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 8. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 4 we cannot minus, again take borrow from next, that is tens place of a liters. Then you will get 8 here, you will get 13 here. 13 minus 8 means 9 to 13 we have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 5. 8 minus 7 consecutive numbers difference is 1 and here 1. 115 liters, 813 milliliters. Okay. Now here, difference of a extreme right digit in milliliters. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 4 means 5 to 9 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 5. 8 minus 3 means 4 to 8 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 5. 550 milliliters. 7 minus 9 we cannot minus, bigger minus smaller. So borrow from the next digit. So here you will get 3 and you will get 17 here. 17 minus 9 means 10 to 17 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It is 8. It is 8. Now 3 minus 2, consecutive number difference is 1. It means 18 liters, 150 milliliters. Now here 0 minus 5 extreme right digit in milliliters we cannot minus, so borrow from the next digit, tens place of a milliliter. Here you will get 4, here you will get 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 4 minus 3, difference of the consecutive numbers 1. Then after that 2 minus 5 we cannot make minus, so borrow from the next digit. Here you will get 2, here you will get 12. 12 minus 5 means from 6 to 12 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 7. So then 2 minus 7 we cannot minus from bigger, smaller minus bigger. So take borrow from the next digit. Here you will get 8, here you will get 12. 12 minus 7, it means 8 to 12 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 5. Now 8 minus 1 means from 2 to 8 we have to count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 7. 75 liters, 715 milliliters. Now the next one. So minus from 100 liters to 237 milliliters, we should subtract 84 liters, 563 milliliters. Now subtract extreme right digit, 7 minus 3. Means 4 to 7 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7. It is 4. 3 minus 6 we cannot minus, take borrow from the next digit. Here you will get 1, here you will get 13. 13 minus 6 means 7 to 13 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 minus 5 we cannot minus. Here we have 0, here we have 0. It means we take borrow from here. If you take borrow from here, here it will get 0, here you will get 10. Again if you take borrow, here you will get 9, here you will get 10. If you take borrow from here, you will get 9, here 11. 11 minus 5 means 6 to 11 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 6. Then after that 9 minus 4 means 5 to 9 we have to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 5. Now 9 minus 8, consecutive numbers difference is 1. 15 liters, 767 milliliters. So this is the method to subtract. More to some similar questions were there that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now see students, here the next question, add 46 liters 300 ml, 36 liters, and the last 5 liters 888 milliliters. So first we have to arrange in column liters, milliliters. First quantity is 46 liters 300 milliliters. Second quantity 36 liters, there is no milliliters, means 000 milliliters. Now 5 liters, 5 that we have to take in unit place, and 888 milliliters. Now add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8. Extreme right digit in milliliters, that is in ones place, the sum is 8. The next tens place sum, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8. Then in hundreds place, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means, so 1 in hundreds place of milliliter, and one more 1 we have to take carry over on 1's place of a liter. Then 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 5 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. 18 means 8 is 1's place of a liter and 1 we have to take carry over on 10's place of liter. Then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 6, 7, 8. That is 88 liters, 188 milliliters. Okay. Next, find the difference between 68 liters 150 milliliters and 6 liters 750 milliliters. First we have to arrange in column, liters first, milliliters. First one 68 liters 150 milliliters. The second one is 6 liters, 6 is in units place of a liter and 750 milliliters. Now subtract. How to subtract? Extreme right digit, that is 1's place of a milliliter. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, same number minus same number is 0. 1 minus 7 we cannot minus, so we have to take borrow from 1's place of a liters. Here you will get 7, here you will get 11. 11 minus 7 means 8 to 11 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 4. 400 milliliters. Now, liters 7 minus 6, consecutive numbers difference is 1 and 6. 61 liters 400 milliliters. This is the difference. Okay. Now what problems? So, what is the first word problem given? A tanker has a capacity. Tanker capacity is given 1500 liters, and in that this much water is there already, that is 550 liters 275 milliliters water is there. So, then how much more water needed to fill? So, how much more means we have to subtract from total capacity how much water is there in the tanker. Then you will get more how much water is needed to fill. So, you will get. Okay. Then first tanker capacity. Tank capacity. What is tank capacity? 1500 liters. No milliliters means 0, 0, 0. This is liters, this is milliliters. Water in tanker. How much water is there in the tanker? Water in the tank, not tanker, tank. How much water is there in the tank? 950. So, 9 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place and 0. 950 liters, 275 milliliters. Then subtraction. Then how much water is need to fill the tank? So, all are zeros, so we take borrow from here. Here you will get 10, you will get 4 and here you will get 10. If again you take borrow, so here you will get 9, here you will get 10. If you take borrow from here, you will get 9 here, you will get 10 here. If you borrow from here, you will get 9 and you will get 10. If you borrow from here, you will get 9 and you will get 10 here. Now, 10 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, again 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 means 8 to 9 we have to count. 8, 9, it is 2. Next, 9 minus 2 means from 3 to 9 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is 7. Next, 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 means from 6 to 9 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, it is 4. 4 minus 9, we cannot make minus this one, so take borrow from the next. Here you will get 0, you will get 14 here. 14 minus 9 means 10 to 14 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it is 5. 549 liters. So, more water needed to fill. More water need to need to fill the tank. 449 liters, 725 milliliters. Okay. Now see here. So the second question, Mona had 47 liters, 475 milliliters of oil. So in that she used 25 liters, 50 milliliters. In the total oil, so this much she used. Then how much oil is left? Left he is asking. Left means subtract. Left means we have to subtract. In the total oil, so how much she used, that we should subtract. Then you will get how much oil left. Okay. Then total oil quantity. Total oil quantity, how much? 47 liters, 175 milliliters. These are liters, here milliliters. Then oil used. Oil used. How much oil used? 25 liters, 50 milliliters. 25 liters. 50 means we have to write 50 like this. Here nothing is there means 0. Now oil used, then oil left. So the answer is oil left. After subtracting, so you will get how much oil is left. Then so subtract extreme right digit in milliliters. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 means 6 to 7 we have to count. 6, 7. It is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then 7 minus 5, the same 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 22 liters, 125 milliliters. This much oil is left. Okay. Next. In this, a shopkeeper purchased 159 milliliters of juice, and in that 93 liters, 255 milliliters of it is sold. Then how much juice is with him now? In the total juice, 159 liters, 93 liters, 255 milliliters juice is sold. Then how much juice is left with him? Means we should subtract here. In the total, so how much he sold, that we subtract. Total juice. Total juice how much? 159 liters. Here no milliliters means 0, 0, 0. This is liters, this is milliliters. Okay. Now juice sold. How much? That is 93 liters, 255 milliliters is sold. Now juice left, subtract. Then we have to borrow from the ones place of a liters. Then here you will get 10, and here you will get 8, and here you will get 10. Once you take borrow, here you will get 9, here you will get 10. If you take borrow from here, you will get 9 here, you will get 10 here. Now 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 means 6 to 9 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 2 means 3 to 9 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 7. 8 minus 3 means 4 to 8 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 5. 5 minus 9 we cannot minus, so again take borrow. Here you will get 0, you will get 15. 15 minus 9 means 10 to 15 we have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6. Then 65 liters, 745 milliliters of juice left. Okay. Now, next, in fourth question, Madhu purchased 15 liters of mango juice. This much he purchased mango juice. In that, he used 7 liters, 530 milliliters for making ice cream. How much mango juice was left? In the total juice, how much she used? So that we have to subtract, then you will get how much juice is left. Total juice, total quantity of juice, total juice how much? 15 liters. Here no milliliters means 0, 0, 0 milliliters. This is in liters, this is in milliliters. Next, juice used. How much she used? 7 liters. 7 we have to write in units place of liters, and 530 milliliters. Then minus juice left. Now 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0, here 0 means take borrow from here. Here you will get 4, here you will get 10. If you take borrow from again, here you will get 9, here you will get 10. 10 minus 3 means 4 to 10 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 7. 9 minus 5 means 6 to 9 we have to count. 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 4. Now 4 minus 7 we cannot minus, then borrow from here. We will get 0 here, we will get 14. 14 minus 7 means 8 to 14 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 7. 7 liters, 470 milliliters juice was left. Okay. So now after that, so here Sanju made 10 liters 250 milliliters of orange squash, orange juice. So then in that 15 liters of lemon squash and 12 liters of pineapple squash. So lemon and pineapple so is given. So then total quantity of squash made means, total means we have to add all, the three. So first orange squash, ten liters 250 milliliters. Next lemon, (15 liters) 100 milliliters. Here this is liters, this is milliliters. Then pineapple, that is pineapple is 12 liters. Here no milliliters means 0, 0, 0. Then total quantity of squash, total quantity of, then add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 37 liters, 350 milliliters. Okay.